Meaning of game plan.
Game plan.
Game plan.
Game plan.
Game plan. The term game plan refers to a strategic approach that outlines the steps necessary to achieve a particular goal or objective in a competitive situation, such as a sports match or a business venture. It typically involves identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and then developing a set of strategies and tactics that can be used to overcome challenges and achieve success. A well-executed game plan can give a team or individual a significant advantage over their opponents and increase their chances of achieving their desired outcome. Overall, game plans are critical tools for anyone seeking to succeed in competitive environments.